What's your name?
My name is Love.
Wow, I can hear you. Good job. How old are you, Love? I'm
I'm 6 years old.
6. Good job. How are you, Love?
I'm happy.
Good. Boom. Are you ready for the speaking test? Yes? Say yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Good job. Now let's start with this. Look at this. What is this?
It's a river. It's an umbrella. It's a leaf. It's a hat. It's a mountain.
Very good. Could be face mom. Boom. Great job. Next. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing
T.
t-shirt. I'm wearing jeans. I'm wearing the way.
Dress.
I'm wearing boots. I'm wearing shirt.
Wow. Another high five. Wow, love. Great job. Now, let's move on to the weather. How's the weather? It's
It's windy. It's sunny.
good.
It's snowing. It's raining.
Wow! Double high five. Now, let's move on to the other vocabulary words. What do you see? I see.
I see cloud. I see hill. I see sky. I see rainbow.
Very good. Now, here. What says
The jellyfish, the ducky, the
juice?
the
Jam.
chin,
Very good. What says rum?
the cookie,
Raccoon.
the coon, the ducky, the zobo, the rabbit, the dog.
Wow! Perfect. Next, command. Okay, tell me what command is it?
Put an umbrella in the air. Turn up the shoe.
Take off your shoes. Next.
Pick up the ducky.
Good.
Put on the hat.
Wow! Double fist bump. Great job. Next, the last part. Tell me, what do you see? I see.
I see rainbow. I see cloud. I see tree.
Okay, the color green. What's that? I see
I see leaf.
leaf. Okay. What else? What do you see? What is
I
this?
see
A
river.
river. Next, what's this?
I see rainbow.
No, this one.
It's a rabbit.
What's the color? It's
It's what?
white. The color of the rabbit is white. What about this one? What is this? It's a
It's a rock.
rock. Okay. Great job. Say goodbye to teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Thank you, teacher. See you again. See you again. Goodbye. Boo.